Welcome everyone to the Lazy Daisy Hideaway. Just over 3 years ago, this special lady made some pretty big changes in her life and is starting on a new adventure. And that's what we're here to talk about today. But first, let's take a really quick little tour before she moves in and this house really becomes a home. First, we begin in the kitchen and living room with her beautiful quartz countertop and her gorgeous fireplace. Fun fact, did you know that mantle and every other wood slab in the house was hand-picked by Marilyn? She also sanded down and finished every single one of those pieces, along with a couple of those antique dressers that you'll see in her bedroom and guest bath. She redid those all by herself. Isn't that amazing? Now we move on to the guest bedroom and bath. Remember those slabs and furniture I mentioned? Here they are in all their glory. Now let's head across the way over to Marilyn's room. She has such a soft, serene, warm place to rest her head. Welcome home, Marilyn. We are so glad to have you here. And now that this build is nearly complete, it just needs one more thing: move-in day. Moving day, of course, was a little hectic, so it didn't capture much. But now that she's all moved in, her house has become a home. Welcome home, Marilyn. Welcome to the Lazy Daisy Hideaway. Come on in. Here it is.